Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're zeroing in on something really fundamental for traders: discipline.
That's right. It's like this silent force, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially needed when strategies wobble or, emotions start taking over.
Absolutely. And look, we know a lot of you listening probably struggle sometimes with actually sticking to your trading plan, avoiding those impulse clicks.
Oh, definitely. It's a common hurdle.
So yeah, this deep dive is really for you. Our mission today: let's cut through the chatter and get to the core of trading discipline, what it is, why it breaks down, and importantly, how you can actually build it up.
Exactly. So many traders focus, maybe too much, on finding that perfect strategy.
Right, the holy grail.
Yeah, but what we see again and again is that a decent strategy, maybe not even perfect, but applied with real discipline, that beats a brilliant strategy used inconsistently pretty much every time. It's all about the application.
Okay, let's unpack that. What does discipline trading look like day to day? It's got to be more than just like having rules written down somewhere, right?
Oh, way more. It's about acting on those rules, especially when it's difficult, when your gut is screaming something else.
Like what? Give us an example.
Okay, so a disciplined trader might see a setup forming that looks almost perfect, maybe really tempting. But if it doesn't tick all their boxes, they skip it. No exceptions.
Even if it feels like leaving money on the table.
Especially then.
Yeah.
And another big one, taking a loss. They accept it as just part of trading, move on. No revenge trading to try and win it back immediately.
That's tough.
It is. And critically, they keep up their routines, like journaling. Even if they had a bad day, they still log the trades, log their mindset. It's really a commitment to your own edge.
So it's viewing your plan less like guidelines and more like, well, a personal code of conduct in the market.
Precisely. Your strategy gives you a statistical edge, hopefully. Discipline is just consistently playing that edge out trade after trade without letting feelings interfere.
Okay, makes sense. But if it's so critical, why is it so hard? Why do traders find their discipline just evaporate sometimes? What are the pitfalls?
Well, there are a few common ones. Getting too emotionally attached to the outcome of any single trade is a huge one.
Right, seeing it as I won or I lost personally.
Exactly. That makes objectivity fly out the window. Then there's impulsive trading. Maybe you're bored, maybe you see something moving fast and get that FOMO, fear of missing out.
FOMO, the trader's enemy.
It really can be. And another thing, maybe less obvious, lacking real, deep-down trust in your own trading system. If you don't truly believe it works over time, you will deviate when you hit a rough patch.
It's interesting because often it's not that traders don't know this stuff, is it? They know the rules, they know they shouldn't chase losses.
But do it anyway.
Yeah, the execution is the challenge.
That's the key insight, really. It's rarely a knowledge gap, it's a discipline gap.
So let's get practical. What can traders actually do to build this muscle, this discipline?
Okay, cornerstone strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Have a written trading plan. Seriously. Write it down.
Sounds basic, but why written?
Because it makes it concrete, tangible. Harder to just ignore or rationalize away when you're feeling the pressure. Without it written down, rules become flexible. Too flexible.
Got it. What else?
Using a pre-trade checklist.
Yeah.
Every single time. Before you hit buy or sell, go through the list. Does this trade meet all my criteria, yes or no?
Like creating a bit of fiction, a pause.
Exactly that.
Yeah.
It forces a moment of deliberate thought, fights impulsivity. Another powerful technique, limit your number of trades per day.
Really?
It shifts the focus from quantity to quality.
Yeah.
Makes you much more selective, much more deliberate about the trades you do take. Also, and this one feels weird, at first, reward yourself for following the plan.
Even if the trade lost money.
Yes. If you executed your plan perfectly, followed all your rules, that's a win for your discipline, regardless of the outcome of that single trade.
Yeah.
You reinforce good behavior.
Okay, that reframes things. And journaling.
Crucial. And be honest, don't just log the entry and exit. Log why you took the trade. What were you feeling? Were you sticking to the plan or bending rules? That self-awareness is gold.
You mentioned feelings, which raises a point. We can't always feel motivated to be disciplined, can we? Some days you just don't have it.
Absolutely not. Motivation is fickle. It comes and goes. Discipline is what you lean on when motivation is nowhere to be found. It's the system.
So don't trade based on how you feel.
Please don't. Treat trading like a business, a profession. It has procedures, rules, routines. It's not gambling based on hunches or excitement. Systems over emotions every single time.
Right. So wrapping this up, the core message seems to be, if you want consistent results, you need consistent actions. And those actions have to be disciplined.
That's it in a nutshell. Finding some secret strategy isn't the key nearly as much as just rigorously applying a solid approach day in and day out. Your discipline is your edge in a world of market noise and emotional reactions.
So, a final thought for everyone listening. Just think about how consistently applying discipline, even starting small, might really change your trading outcomes, especially when the markets inevitably get choppy. Thanks for diving deep with us.